Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use PhoneLink app on Windows 11. So if you have a device like a phone that you want to connect it to your PC, like you can use its messages and access different files, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to your desktop and then you have to search for the settings. Once you find the settings, simply open it up and within the settings you will see this option Bluetooth and devices. Go there, scroll down a bit and you will see this option for mobile devices. First you have to open it up and then you have to simply connect your mobile with that. So simply turn it on and after that it will ask if you want to connect an Android or an iPhone, so you can go with any option. I'm going with the Android option. After clicking there, if you're not logged in or signed in with your live account, then it will ask you to do it. So you just have to simply do a quick sign in with your live account. After that you will see this QR code. Now what you have to do is you have to get your phone. There you have to install this Link mobile app, and then there you also have to log in with your live account. Make sure it is the same one that you're using here, otherwise you would not be able to connect. And then you will see the option for the scan QR code. You have to scan this QR code. You will get this code here that you have to paste on your mobile phone. Just simply do it and then you will be able to connect your laptop with your mobile phone. Then it's gonna take some while in checking your phone and connecting it to your PC. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done, then you will be able to see all of your messages, your chats, and also be able to access the settings of your mobile phone. So here you can see your mobile phone has been linked with your PC through PhoneLink app. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.